Where to plant azaleas? Full sun can burn the leaves, while heavy shade can result in weaker growth and poor blooming. Plant in bright shade or where it receives filtered light or morning sun and afternoon shade. Indoors, plant it near an east or west window to allow enough bright light. Azaleas require well draining acidic soil with a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. If the soil pH is not right, then flowering will be less. So, it is more than add garden sulfur in the soil. Mix about 15 milliliter vinegar in 1 liter water and add in the soil to lower its pH. Mix potting mix, compost and river sand to make the soil nutrition rich and free draining. If water stands in the soil, then the roots will rot and the plant may die. How to water azaleas? Water your azalea frequently throughout the year. Let the top 1 inch of soil dry out between waterings. Water deeply until it drains out from the bottom holes. Throw away water from the saucer. Avoid wetting the foliage to prevent fungal disease. Mulching. Mulch with 2 to 3 inch pine straw or composted pine bark or sugarcane mulch to retain the moisture in the soil. Azalea fertilizer. Feed a balanced fertilizer or fertilizer for acid loving plants in late winter or early spring before the plants start to bloom. Do not fertilize after summer. Fertilize near the rim of the pot, away from the trunk. Additionally, I feed a liquid fertilizer like power feed during the growing period to encourage more flowers. How to prune azaleas? Prune your azaleas to grow it bushy and compact. Prune at the correct time. Correct pruning time is important to keep plant full of flowers in the next season. Lightly trim azaleas after they finish blooming. Remove the spent blooms by hand or using a cutter. Prune only after they finish blooming. Do not prune at any other time. If you prune in late summer or fall, you are actually removing flowering stems, reducing lots of flowers in the next season. Repotting azaleas. When you bring azalea from garden center to your home, you should repot it in a bigger pot. Repot the plant every 2 to 3 years in a new pot, two size bigger to prevent becoming root bound to get proper hydration needed for producing flowers. Common azalea diseases and pest problems. Azaleas are generally free of pests and diseases if you take proper care. Spray neem oil to deter insects like lacebugs and spider mites. Use free draining soil and mulch to prevent root rot diseases. Protect azaleas from harsh weather. The plant may die if temperature drops below -3 degrees Celsius. Cold weather and frost can cause brown colored buds or buds do not open up to flower. During harsh weather, you can move your azalea pot indoors in a bright location or cover the plant with a blanket or put the plant under a shed or in the garage. Or you can put it in a covered tent. Bring the plant back outside when temperatures again rise. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos and also hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos. Why no blooms on azaleas? Common reasons for azaleas not blooming are incorrect time of pruning, insufficient light and waterlogged soil. That is, water stands in the pot and does not drain quickly. So, what to do to get lots of flowers on azalea bush? To get good blooms on azaleas, place the plant in bright light and remove the spent blooms each year. Apply mulch to provide moisture. Do not prune during growing period. Prune only soon after the blooms finish. Protect your plant from harsh weather. Keep azalea roots moist, never wet. A fertilizer high in nitrogen may cause the plant to grow foliage rather than flowers. So feed a fertilizer specific for acidic plants.